Okay, we're going to look at problems 6 through 9 on review day 19. And so problem 6 says particle has an acceleration given here. Its initial velocity is 5, and we want to know what the velocity is at 3. So velocity, since acceleration is the derivative velocity, it's the change in the velocity. We'll treat this just like a position idea. So our velocity at 3 seconds will be the velocity at 0, which was 5, plus the integral from 0 to 3 of that acceleration function. So it acts just like that. So I have that function in for y3 right now. So I'm going to go 5 plus math 9, 0 to 3 of y3 dx. Oop. And we're going to get 41.383, which is not one of our choices. So let me go back and check. Oh, I forgot to divide. So I did that on purpose to show you to not lose your mind, if you don't get the answer. Just stay nice and calm like I did right there. And then you can actually just redo that. And hey, that's a lot better. 11.710. E. Again, stay nice and calm, right? Don't lose your mind. The next one gives us a graph of f, and it says of which of the following is f prime positive and increasing. So for f prime to be positive, that means the slope of the tangent would have to be positive. A's slope would be negative, so not A. B is undefined, it has a sharp turn, so not B. C has a positive slope. D has a negative slope, and E has a positive slope. So the positive part gets rid of those three. The increasing part's the one you have to understand. In order for f prime to be increasing, that means f is concave up. The part that C is on is concave down, but the part that E is on is concave up, so E would be our choice. Right, so not too bad there. This next one says to help restore a beach, sand's being added at a rate of this, and it has been doing that since 5 o'clock. How many tons of sand are added to the beach over a 3-hour period from 7 to 10? So it's key that t is measured in hours since 7 o'clock or 5 o'clock. So 7 o'clock would be t equal 2, and 10 o'clock would be t equal 5. All right, so we're going to sum up from 2 to 5 this s of t. So on my calculator, I have s of t in for y1. So we're going math 9, 2 to 5 of y1. And we get 255.368, which is option A. All right, so again, not too bad on this one. You just got to be careful with the 2 and the 5, right? Then our last one here gives us a derivative equation, and it says how many extrema does f have on the open interval? The extrema would be places where the derivative switches from positive to negative or negative to positive. So what we want to do is we want to put that in, and we want to graph it from -4 to 2. And we're only really interested in when it switches. So I'm going to go from -1 to 1 on there. I want to just see where those intercepts might be. So I hit graph, and we'll see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times does it cross the x-axis and switch from positive to negative. So our answer is 6.